This is Roxy, and today we've decided to make it Black Cat Friday. Probably the best thing about having a black cat is the fact that she's the toughest cat in the cul-de-sac. And I'm not even kidding when I say this. Excuse me, but your cat killed my pigeon. I'm a boss ass cat. Destroy the evidence. Destroy it. Thought this video would be a good way to explain as well why I made the whole I'm the Black Cat Queen thing. Basically, if you had watched my Melbourne vlogs, I said it when I had 3 little black kittens sitting next to me at my friend Laura's house, because she has like over 30 cats. So she's already way ahead of me with the, you know, whole crazy cat lady thing. But yeah, I just said it and I thought it would fit, so I went with it, and I'm the Black Cat Queen. So she's being all shitty. In the meantime, she got bit by a snake down here, which you can imagine why. And we found her, and she was just like completely paralyzed, which was pretty scary, and we were like really close to putting her down, but we didn't, and she's all good. Hey, you good? I also think it'd be really cool if I could like put that on a t-shirt, and I'm going to, but I'm not going to have enough to make merchandise, which would be really cool. So if anyone wants to do that, I'll leave my business inquiries below. You're the essence of Black Cat Friday. Bird, you will never catch that bird. I hope you guys have a really good weekend, and happy Black Cat Friday. If you have a cat, go and hug it and tell it how much you love him or her. Okay, say goodbye. Alright, bye guys.